so you want to go on to that one over there?
Sure.
Oh, he got the ball.
Ah, you got it. You got it. Right here.
Hey, you guys, we're here today with, how do I describe you?
I don't know, man.
You're just like the greatest person ever.
OG Jeremy.
This is Jeremy Vest. He works for Braille Skateboarding now. He does so many things for us. It's amazing. But he's like the YouTube, social media, brand expert of everything that you could possibly imagine.
He's the guru.
Yeah, he's just schooling us and everything. I love it. So we're out here to school him in a little bit of skating. Yeah, so we're here at the Newark Skatepark. There's a pool over there with some vert. There is vert on the deep end. I think it's what, 10, 11 feet?
Big.
Roughly around there?
Really big.
That's pretty big. And he can skate. He's really good.
Look at that.
He can drop in on some things, but he's never dropped in on anything this big. So today we have future Olympian Will Cortez and Carlos Lastra to teach him how to drop in on the vert deep end of the pool.
Nice.
How are you feeling? You gotta tell me everything.
You know, with like Olympian and Carlos here, I feel a little better. But I'm pretty scared. I mean, vert's no joke, man.
It's no joke at all, but you got the pads.
Yeah.
I think you're good. I think you can do it.
I mean, I obviously look awesome with the pads on.
I love the color. You remind me of Spider-Man with like yellow web shooters. How old are you?
I'm 43.
43.
Old.
So Doug is almost there.
Well, I'm no longer the oldest guy in Braille. I lost the title now.
So we have Jeremy, he's 43, and he's gonna drop in on this pool, and it's gonna be epic.
Either way,
awesome.
Win or lose, it's gonna be epic.
That's right. That's right. But hopefully, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just not gonna jinx it. I've had a bad habit of jinxing things lately, so I'm just not gonna say anything.
He's gonna do it.
He's gonna do it. That's it. I'm fired up. He's been hyping himself up all week. I'm really excited for him.
Do I get the hate over here? Is this what's happening?
Oh,
Gabe would never drop into that, even if you offered him $1 million.
No,
because I don't need to.
People, he's gonna do it at some point.
Nothing
as long as
anyone
here,
says can get me to do that.
Gonna go, if an old man can do it, for sure.
No, like I know I can do it, but at the end of the day, like I'm dropping in. Cool. Who cares? I'd rather go do like a quad flip down something. That'd make me feel much better.
Anyways. Right?
Yeah.
Right,
Yep.
So
What's the first step, Will?
First steps, numero uno. All we're gonna do is just work our way up. Baby steps. Boom, boom, boom.
So this is a baby step for you, but Carlos, you're half the size of a normal person, so this is like vert for you.
This is vert to me, right?
Yeah.
now.
Okay.
Straight up.
All right.
Let's go, lean forward.
Just that easy.
All right. Step one. Okay. All right, that was easy. No problem. I got it.
Easy. Did a perfect drop in. From here, everything is the same. Every drop in's the same pretty much once you do it once. So he's already knows how to do it, but.
All right, so you want to go on to that one over there?
Sure.
Hey, we lost our instructor.
Hey.
Don't worry, I'm here.
It's okay, we got Carlos.
I'm the assistant.
How many people can we get in a group walking around the skate park? As many people as possible.
Only Braille.
Migrate.
What's up, Jimbos?
The Glow Father? Yeah, what's up? Hey everyone, just go follow Glow on Instagram.
Oh my God! Don't.
Funny thing about this quarter is that I know it's 3'10" because I measured it when we were building the Braille house to replicate it. This one isn't even 4 feet.
Really?
3'10".
One of you guys have to drop in right here.
Oh, and connect to the grind?
Hello?
Yeah.
I got this backside. I don't know.
What's good, Jimbo?
Whoa, let's get another angle.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
All right.
So this is comfortable.
Where's your? This is good. I'll be all right.
Oh yeah, Glow. Glow's definitely dropping in, right? He's dropping in over there.
Yeah, Glow, you're dropping in.
This was first try.
You better, dude. You did it perfectly.
All right,
You
go
gotta
ahead.
do this one. Step two. As you can see, he's got it already.
Oh, he barely made that.
He's got it. It's
Looks
just mental,
comfortable.
80% mental, 20% physical. 30% do it, concentrated power or will.
You're gonna-
15%.
Are you gonna do the grind?
Yeah, to the ground. 100% reason to remember.
Oh yeah.
That's kind of scary.
So, Carlos and Will,
What's up?
Tell the camera what the difference is between a drop in like this and a drop in on vert or a pool.
There's a little bit more hang time before you actually hit all 4 wheels.
Yeah.
It's pretty much all the same if you can just tell yourself that, you know?
Yeah, you compress more. So in the bigger ramps, you want to compress a little bit more because this is like really like just mellow. Over there, it's straight down, and then it's mellow. So you got it for that straight part. You just got to relax and let yourself go down, and then it's just straight, just the same as this. It's mellow. So 80% mental. I mean 80% physical.
Pretty much.
What would you say?
80% mental, 20% physical.
What would you say to someone that's like, but I don't know and I can't trust myself? Like, you know, they keep doing this.
I would say don't drop in first. Just like kick turn, just roll up it, get the feel for it first, and then once you're like you just got to go up there with complete confidence. That's it. Once you have that confidence in your head that you're gonna do it, you just go up there, do it. Don't even think about it. Just whatever, send it. And
just lean forward.
Lean forward, stay low. If you fall and you're low, you're not gonna really
Just make sure all 4 wheels hit before you actually do the crash. And then as long as your head's forward, you're gonna be perfectly safe, man. There's really nothing more to it.
easy.
Let's go, champ.
When you lean forward, just reach like keep your legs bent the whole time. The tendency is to straighten your leg.
Yeah.
And you can, as long as you just lean forward and touch the, like you're gonna touch the front of the board, it works. Okay. It's like.
Yeah.
For him, what I'd suggest is he likes to go forward a lot, and when he goes to grab his nose, so he's got to just relax and not go too far forward. Just stay low.
Basically, reach
That's a
for
more
it
important
before
part
you
than like
Like drop in before
forward
you touch it.
motion.
Reach for it, then let it go.
That's just to get you to lean forward.
Yeah. I learned that same way, because look, so you go up here.
Stop making fun of my drone!
Like, to me, that and that are the same thing.
They are.
Like, if they're
All right, you want to do this one real quick, though? Kill it.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright.
it's gonna be over there.
What's this, like 5 foot?
I don't know. Four. About 2 Carloses.
Alright, here we go.
That's height right there.
Oh, he got the ball.
Height.
He definitely got the
Hyping
ball.
himself up just to
Yeah,
go
I think
through,
I think he got the
it.
ball, especially after that early grab.
Yeah, dude, this is.
He's
I mean,
not a man to know. Whoa.
I can see where people get like intimidated. All right, so now we're on to the next section, which is still over vert, but a little bit smaller.
So I was just telling Jeremy, think about the next step. Don't think about the drop in, but what's next? What are you gonna do next?
So like think
vert
about
skating.
like the trend.
Yeah, whatever you want to
transition
do. Like
over
if
there.
you're gonna carve or the next
Okay.
thing you're gonna do for vert.
So like the next trick.
yeah, the next trick. Because on vert, like you don't want to be thinking about it too much because then it'll get in your head and then you're just like over it. So next trick. Yeah.
I think this is the same size as the quarter at the Braille house.
Is it?
The new
I
one.
think it's bigger.
I think it's.
This is probably bigger. I think this is
I
6
think the one at Braille
It's a
actually
little steeper.
Really?
Yeah, it is steeper than this.
Hey, then if you could do that one, you're good.
It's about 6 foot, I guess.
There you go.
That was easy.
Alright, coaches, what am I doing wrong?
Do another one of me. Yeah. I didn't get to see it.
Okay, you ready? Yeah.
The tape says solid.
Nice. So just do that up
See your
there.
hand, if you were doing it wrong, your hands would be up. Like
Okay.
this.
All right.
Ah, scared.
And what does that mean? Your balance is off?
It just means
If
yeah,
your
you're
hands go up,
scared
yeah.
and your balance is off if you're up here. Anytime you're skating vert this, that means like oh crud, something bad's gonna happen. But you're fine. You're like just confident. You're going.
So this is like 6 foot. What's that? Like 10 foot, 11 foot?
basically like 3.5 foot taller. That's all.
Just it's the only difference is it's easier because it's more mellow, like the transition's a little bit better.
Yeah, I'm
And
sorry, I
then-
don't believe you on the easier
I'm
part.
telling you, it is. Once you do it, you're gonna be like, that's so easy.
It gives you, it feels like more space.
Yeah.
And I'm saying that because when I first dropped in here, I went over there and then I came back over here and this one felt like brushed.
It's like a hard mattress to a soft mattress.
So,
Does that make sense? Because the hard mattress is like,
so you doing this recently, like what advice do you have? Like the pros, I believe in them, but like what do you
What do I think? All right, at first I was a bit scared, but then I told myself, well, this is after seeing a few people go down bigger ramps. I thought, all right, well, if I go and carve it and I get close to the coping and I'm sideways, that's technically close to dropping in. And then I just went in. I didn't really think too much of it. I was just like, okay, well, it's the same thing, so I believe I could drop in because
maybe I should
confident.
try to slash it first.
Yeah, you should try to get close.
this is what I want you to do. I want you to drop it in the corner here, the like mellower part of the transition. I want you to do a carve or a slash grind, and then come up here fakie and go switch into it. Like this. I'll just show you.
What? Nice and relaxed.
Just like this.
Just like that.
And I want to see how high you can get. And if you can get up there, folks, if you can do that, you can drop.
Once you get past that part, it's the same thing.
All right. So what I was describing to Jeremy is the first time I dropped in here, because this was the first thing I dropped into, then Fremont, then Berkeley Vert. So there's stickers there. There's 2 stickers over there at the top of the deep end. I went and carved close to it, and when I felt that carve and how I saw the sticker right there with these wheels, I told myself, okay, well, I'm basically close to the coping, and I could grind if I wasn't afraid to grind it. So I told myself, if I'm basically gonna grind, I can drop in. I'm just like this far away. So I went up there and I just went in without thinking about it, because I told myself if I just look, it's gonna get worse. So that's the advice I gave him.
Nailed it.
Don't have to go fast.
Try it again. Relax. That's it. You see that
It's
flow?
gonna feel exactly like that.
You see that flow?
Exactly how it's
Yeah.
gonna
So it's gonna be this first part of here, drop, and then that same motion. And do
feeling.
you see how this is so much tighter than that?
Yeah,
Like you
for
drop,
sure.
you're like, oh, I'm at the bottom.
Yeah.
There you have one Miss, like 1.5 Mississippi. Here you have like 1. So
Dude, I'm not gonna lie, my heart's kind of racing
you got
right
it.
now.
That's good.
I have
You should just go do it. Honestly, if your heart's racing, you got to use that.
use the adrenaline. Just go 3, 2, 1.
Hey,
bam, go.
where's Glow at?
That's easy. Hey, I believe in you, dude. I don't believe in myself, but I believe in you.
No.
How you
How are you gonna say that? I don't believe in myself, but I believe in
What do you mean? Because I have faith in my
That would
friends.
make me feel way not. I don't know.
Wait, what?
If
do you
someone
mean?
told me I don't believe in myself, but I believe in you,
I thought that was heartwarming.
in my world, it's not that way. I need someone to say I believe in myself.
Ah, you got it. No, don't do that. I'm not. Look that way. Like, don't look at the ball. Relax. It's coming. It's coming.
Don't even think about it. Just do what you do regularly. Okay?
McKinney, it's the same height. You got it. Right here.
Come on, brother.
Yeah.
It was scary as crap, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I did not like it.
Any
Hell yeah.
quick. Anytime you do a drop in that's scary or like a trick that you like are super scared of, you gotta go back up, do it 2 more times just so you get the feel of it and like really know that you got it. So then you know
Hey,
next
let's
time
do
you
this
got it.
again, dude. Will, get up here.
I need another one. Oh, dude,
Yes.
you're killing me. That felt so much better. That's so fun. I thought you were about to slash the floor. I tried.
He literally almost slashed the top of the bowl right after he dropped him for the first time. That's crazy.
Come down.
this.
Come down.
So I was showing Jeremy. We got a video of it
It's
here.
not so scary, right?
And
Anymore?
you
Like,
see
after
as he's
last
going down right
Right.
there, his hands go up. So that's the only, like even though he landed it, he can still work on it to get it better by staying low and relaxing.
How do you feel?
Dude, I'm terrified. I'll be
Showing
honest
the,
with you.
showing the youngs what's up, man.
Like, look, I'm shaking, man. It's just,
That's the adrenaline,
That's the
dude.
good
That's
stuff.
that happy feeling.
it feels cool though. You know, I've been skating since 1986. I've took like a 20-year break, but I've never dropped in on vert like this. So
Keep going. You keep
thanks,
doing
dude.
it.
Thanks,
Keep doing
man.
I say, let's all do it now.
Let's all do it
Let's
now.
all do it right now, okay?
All right.
Let's go. Woo. This is for Jeremy right here. Let's go.
For Brussels sprouts.
Oh my god! Everyone, DM Glow for some motivation.
Yeah, DM me directly if you want me to drop it.
What's your Instagram?
Glow Border. GLO Border. Follow me. Give me some inspiration on how to drop in. And then I might.
To the people who maybe want to drop in on vert or skate bigger bowls for the first time, what would all of you guys like to say? Any advice for any of them?
Send it. 80% mental, 20% physical. You just gotta get it in there. Do
It's okay to be scared, but as long as you commit to it, you'll be just fine.
Honestly, man, if you're like kind of newish to skating, I would wear pads.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't think they're cool, but I mean, you can see how obviously cool I look right now, right? So just wear pads if you're afraid.
There's no shame in being safe.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Whatever.
Pads definitely help me a lot through skating. so-
Wearing pads and doing that is better than someone who doesn't wear pads and won't do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
sure.
we're basically the bad influence right now. So wear pads if you're a brand new skateboarder, for sure.
All right, well, there's some videos right there. You can check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and everyone in this video, their info will be in the description below. So definitely check them all out. It's a huge honor to have a lot of these guys out here, and it was an honor
Thanks,
watching
man.
you learn that. That was
Thank you.
incredible.
That's fun. That's fun.
Great.
Take us away.
Woo!